Yo, now I'm hungry, bro. Come get your
Where'd
stick,
that
bro.
damn stick?
It's right down here.
Hmm?
It's down there. Oh, I'm gonna have to get it.
My guy's thirsty, dude. I'll drink some of this water here.
Almost, bro. What's that?
Oh god.
So
Oh god, dude. Help me. Help me, bro.
Dead.
Yes, bro. I got very scared there, dude.
Where did you drink water now?
I'm trying to. I fell in here and things went south.
Right.
I can't seem to drink here.
Why can't I drink water, bro? I'm cold and wet. What a waste.
Bro, we better drink something, dude.
Oh, here's an air tank again, dude. I'm telling you, we need to build dive suits or something.
Let me try with the pot.
What's it running? What's it running, son?
What running, huh?
Is it the bat's wings? I swear
Yeah,
it's running now,
it's the
dude.
bat. It's the bats, I think, dude. Bro, why can't we just drink this vodka, bro? It'll make me feel so much better.
Yeah, give me this water, dude.
Bro, we can't drink this water, apparently. It's weird.
I'm gonna frack, dude.
Oh,
I'm
well.
deep
I've
thirst.
got a soda that I can drink. I don't really want to use it right now.
There's boxes up here, eh?
Can we eat these bats? Yay! Got him, dude.
Let's get him.
Yeah, but I can't cut him open.
That's a waste. Just a murderer now.
No, well, bro, I mean, I didn't know.
Can I jump on this? Uh-uh. Bro, I don't like the noise it makes when you get in the water there.
Yeah, dude. Oh, we're gonna have to swim down. Did you check the corner there?
This is cat food, dude.
Dude, I think we have to swim through that gap there. I think there could be a gap here, bro. Yeah,
What are those
underneath
air tanks, dude?
me. Where? I don't know, like, where are they? Where the hell do they go?
This is that bat is making me freak out, dude. I don't know where those air
Let's see
tanks
if I have to have one more rotten leg here. I don't know where those air tanks. Oh, yeah. But we don't have the apparatus to breathe with them. So now I'm not sure. But bro, I reckon we gotta go in here and then down and underneath here, bro.
Okay, I better hope I can
So
drink
if
on
we
the
go-
other side, dude.
If we go in there and then we turn and we go this way.
Yeah.
What the hell was that now?
We're not making this. We're gonna die, dude. Swim, bro, swim! Oh my god, it's drowning, dude. I'm dead.
Damn it, bro. Are you alive? I don't.
No, I'm dead, dude.
Yeah. Are you here? Why am I
What the
coming
hell am
out
I
of some
in, bro?
monster?
Yes, what am I in? Right?
I don't know.
That's weird, dude. That is so weird. What did I just come out of?
I don't know. There was like a sack. Bro, I think we made it though, dude. No?
No way,
We
Steve.
didn't.
This is the same side. Is it not?
Okay, so that's definitely a way.
But we couldn't see anything, dude. I was just following you, and you were just swimming to the
I
wall.
think we
the
need
whole
to get
time.
the breathing apparatus before we can do this.
Alright.
Maybe. I mean, I don't know this game, dude. That's kind of what I'm feeling.
Yeah. My oak must just open his mouth quickly, bro. There's like water dripping right here.
Let's go outside, dude. We'll drink there by that lake. Although it's fast up, but maybe we'll be lucky.
Was there no breathing apparatus on the people outside?
Oh, they could be.
Yeah.
I didn't notice.
Yo, I'm on you like white on rice, bro.
Dude, I still can't drink here. This is frozen up, so maybe that's why. No, dude.
Dude, here's
There's
moose.
a moose. Get it, bro. We need that food.
Let's get it.
Get that one that's standing up. Yo, these things are gonna mess us up, bro.
Get it, bro. Get it.
Should have used the catty, bro.
I thought I could get him
You didn't
like...
even...
Dude, I thought I could get him like the Khoisan, where you just, you know, throw a spear into him.
Where did he go? He went to the right.
Yeah. Yo, now I can't even track the thing, dude.
One went left as well.
I still need to drink water, dude.
I hear the river. Let's go drink by the river.
What the hell was that noise?
Hmm?
What's this?
Don't you have that pistol? You could have shot that damn moose.
Yeah. But I thought I gotta save that for like special occasions, dude.
That was a special occasion. That's life, dude.
Nah, bro. I was gonna spear that thing to death.
Yeah, we've got the MRE, I guess, but I want to save those for the caves, and then... this guy's finally drinking, dude.
Dude,
It looks like you put your whole head under the water.
even you're like in there, bro. Here's a moose. Should I shoot it with a gun?
Hey?
There's a moose there, bro.
Where, bro?
Right in front of us.
I saw him.
Must I shoot it?
Right. Are you gonna shot? Okay, hold on, let me... I don't know, bro. Yeah, shoot it. Oh my... I missed it. Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah.
3 shots, bro. And it's gonna give us only small meat.
No, you can carry on half. Oh, what? I don't want to eat it. Cease.
Oh, there he goes, bro.
I'm gonna get salmonella now. Bro, grab here on this side, yeah.
Did you get anything else from it?
I got this, bro. I got this.
Oh, jeez, like they just... it just fits in your bag?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I don't know, man. We've got to find the different caves. I think those caves surely will give us different weapons, dude. You want to make a fire here quickly and then eat?
I'm pretty alright with hunger.
Okay. Mine's flashing now, but I'll make it. There. Alright, let's run into the moose with this thing.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Then we can hunt, bro. They're on the river
Yeah,
there
okay.
somewhere.
Get him, bro. Get him.
Where are they?
Get ahead, bro. Straight ahead. Alright, just. This one, lying down. Get him, bro.
Yeah. Full speed, bro.
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Trap! Oh shit, did it go underneath?
Yeah, it looks
Damn
like
it,
it
it
went
went
under the
under-
water, dude. Under the ice. There's one.
Oh, there was one that ran off. But let's see,
Yeah,
maybe
so-
we can get it. Where was it?
What's in there?
Maybe we glitched, but we can still get it, you know? This thing went straight to heaven, bro. Nah, I think it went under this. Oh, there's the other one, dude. There's the other one.
Get him, bro, get him.
This one is not on the water, bro. What's that? Oh, it's a
that?
squirrel.
Carry on, carry on. Oh, here's a dead one, bro. Oh, this is the one we killed.
Bro, that other one was built different. Oh, there's one.
Get him, bro, get him. Get him, dude.
That one is built. He's built different, bro.
Get him, bro.
It's gone, dude. It's gone, dude. So maybe.
There's a moose to our right here.
Oh, bro. I don't know if I can get up here somewhere.
Get him, bro. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Drat! Yo!
Bro. Some of them are built different, dude.
Go. We can go the way we came, I suppose. Oh, you want to go around?
I don't know. I guess it's gonna be rocks here. I also think their campsites are good places for loot. I think.
We can do
But I
that
think
as
you
well.
only
dude.
get like normal stuff. Like oh, yes.
Whoa! What is this? Oh, it's a decent moose. Jesus.
Yes, bro.
Is there like bears in this game as well?
Hey Zulu, what's happening, man? I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know if there's any sort of predators.
Oh,
I
there's
think
a.
the cannibals are the biggest predator, dude.
Alright.
See, there's a
There's a
smoke.
camp there, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. Should we go there?
Yeah, just let's. I want to test my catty, dude.
So, go with it.
Yo. Oh shit!
Oh, dude, he got me.
You got me as well, dude.
Shit, we're gonna have to respawn. Damn it, dude. I thought he was dead.
I also thought he was dead. Oh, dude, we're in his camp.
Uh-oh.
Bro, we're in his camp. You gotta run, dude.
Yo, whoa. Oh, you going for it?
Could you?
Yes, I got two guys right next to me, dude.
Yeah, good luck, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. Grab your shit.
Where's this dude? Oi! Dude, there's coffins here.
Huh?
There's like coffins around here, dude. Yo, this place is big,
What?
dude. Yo!
Yes, this guy.
There's coffins, bro.
Oh.
Yo, this looks doing like backflips and shit, dude.
Yeah, we gotta slowly back up. This guy's so strong, dude. guy that killed us.
Oh, there's a guy behind
Hey.
us. Just watch out, eh? Oh shit! Watch out.
Oh shit, I'm point blank, dude. Yes, bro, this guy came from nowhere. Clone him.
Did you get him? Yeah, take your arrow there.
One is crying, bro.
Yeah. Attack!
The lady cannibals, they're crying over the dead men, bro.
Oh, I thought it was because I shot her in the face, bro.
Look, she's crying, this one.
Get it, bro.
Dude.
So that lagged on my screen. He's lagging. Ew!
Dude,
Where'd he go?
yeah.
Coin, bro, coin. Hey, son.
You ran off my arrows, dude.
Yeah, even mine. He's down there. Oh, he ran far.
This guy's tied up. Just leave him for number lost, bro. We'll come back for you when that's shit. There's a big guy, bro.
Here's one. Oh, I didn't let go, but okay.
Yeah, you must run.
Dude, my guy keeps letting go, and I'm not letting go. Like off the arrows.
Ooh, this guy's another problem, bro.
Yeah, Jesus.
Yike! He's so close to kicking you. Oh, dude, I want to hit him in the face.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Dude, you got so close to his face. Oh, that was amazing on my screen, dude. Watch, he's in front of me.
Yes, bro, my arrow just bounced. Wait!
Watch, there's other ones.
Another guy, yeah. I need to get some. Oh my goodness, dude.
Did he get you?
Yeah.
Kojima,
I
wait,
wanted
Kojima.
to get some more of my arrows back. Yes, he's
Nice.
got me again, bro. I only got up.
Yo, he's chasing.
Yeah. Oh, there's also this character, yeah.
What is this? Dude, I just picked up something. I don't know what I picked up.
Where's that big guy gone?
What was that?
What
Dude,
have
I've
you
got like...
now?
What is going on? Dude, what is going
What the
on?
hell is that? Where's that big guy, dude?
I don't know how to get off this thing. Jump twice to... Oh, there we go.
Bro, that's your problem now, but yeah, this like he's get him, jump on him.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Is he?
Here's another one. Yeah, he's dead. There's so much rope and shit in this place.
Not my responsibility for a while.
Dude, we need to take us back to our camp.
Yeah, yeah. I am king of the castle. You. Oh shit! Watch out, bro! Behind you. Yes, he
Yo,
blocked
bro,
me, bro.
I'm friggin'
One to
almost
block you,
dead.
bro. Hey,
I'm almost dead, dude.
where did he go?
I've got like, if you breathe on me, I'll die, dude.
Where the hell did that guy hit in?
He ran to the right, dude. He smash and grab, dude.
Just have some medicines there, dude.
Yeah. Yo, I
Can't
see,
cook here,
see some
eh?
of them coming, dude.
This meat is human meat, no doubt. Alright, so I'm gonna have to have an MRE or something, dude.
Yeah. Watch. Ooh.
I got raw meat here, though.
What? Where did my spear go?
It's in him.
No, isn't that yours?
We both threw at the same time, so I don't know. You can take it, bro.
No, I found it. I found it.
Yes. The
There's lots of
Kapura guy,
guys,
what?
There's lots of dudes around.
What do you mean, Peppy?
There's another two.
Hey, bro, I don't think there's anything else here now.
Hey, check this guy how he climbs rope.
So we're leaving this one.
What, this side? Oh, he blocked it.
Yes!
Get up! Oh, he's
That
dead.
guy's using Fortnite skills, bro. Did you get him? He was carrying
No,
me
no, no,
away.
you ran away, bro.
Oh.
No, no, he was carrying you away. What's going on?
No, I don't know. My guy was sliding, bro. I thought he was carrying me away. He was gonna eat me. I'm gonna kill this guy, bro.
Oh, there's one they've chained up again as well. There's another one they've chained up, yeah.
Oh, there's nothing more here. Are we gonna leave?
Yeah, right, we leave, bro.
So there wasn't anything. It was just the general equipment like rope and stuff.
Yeah, and this like bike thing, dude. There's another one over there somewhere.
Do you want to ride that thing? You might have to.
I'm carrying
You
it,
take the
bro.
golf cart.
Yeah, I'll ride it if I need to.
You're coming for us.
There's a moose.
Yeah. Did you put it in?
I don't know. We'll see.
Dude, I can't get in. There's too much other shit in the way.
This guy's gonna kill me. He's gonna get me killed.
No, it's staying behind there. You want to leave
Oh,
it?
is
You
it?
don't really need
Nah. Wait, bro, that's gangster, that thing.
it. Alright, you're gonna have to drive it then behind me, dude.
Yeah. Let's go, bro. Better fuck I speed you before I die.
Bro. Not all of us are driver compliant, bro.
Yo, bro, this thing is so hard to drive. Yo,
Oh, there's
go,
another
bro.
golf cart.
Where's...
Oh my goodness, dude. Oh,
Oh, he's
Yara.
stuck.
No, I can't see, bro. I can't see. We're gonna have to sleep here. We're gonna have to sleep here, bro. Good luck, dude.
Yo, I need to make arrows, dude. That's one thing I really do need.
Okay, do you wanna make arrows? Then
No, I'll do it in the morning.
okay, because we might get attacked, but
Yeah. Okay. Well, cool. Fine.
Oh, it's still night time, dude. This is not a good... Hey!
they're close.
Yo! Whoa! You said lady PK me now, dude.
Hit it, bro.
Yes, I can't see, dude. It's so dark.
my nose is
I can't
itchy
see
as well.
anything, dude. Yo, we're gonna die.
Run on
I
the water
genuinely
here.
can't see anything, dude. Yo!
Oh, yes. Yes, there's a lot, bro.
Oh, I can see much better on the water for some reason.
Bro.
This guy's gonna die. Dude, should I take the gun out?
Dude. My freaking nose is irritating me.
I'm gonna die. Ow.
Oh shit, dude, they're hitting me while I'm standing up.
Dude, where's this lady? She needs to come help you.
I don't know, bro.
I'm gonna die.
Bro, they just hit me while I'm standing up. Yeah, she is, bro.
Dude, it's so cold as well. Like I was gonna die. Hey, I'm stuck.
Bro, just stay up with this lady, bro.
Yeah. Watch out, watch out.
Oh my goodness, dude.
You dead again, bro. I'm honestly gonna just freaking take my gun out, dude. I'm not even joking here.
I'm trying, okay?
This guy.
Oh, is the last one dead now?
Yeah, they ran away. He's up there. I saw him run up there.
Yes, dude. Let's try sleep again, then. He's just sitting down there. And my nose got super itchy while I was busy with that.
Every time I looked, you were just lying on the floor, dude.
Bro, they were clouting me there. I couldn't stand a
Yes,
chance,
dude.
bro. I couldn't see
So-
them.
The one auntie, dude, she gave me the definition of a PK, dude.
Bro, I'm so thirsty, bro.
Yeah, even me, dude. It's like I'm sucking on a cork right now, dude.
Dude, these things are everywhere and everything is frozen, dude.
Oh, he's right there.
He's running into monsters there.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna die.
Ah, look at him, bro. Hey, come up here, man. Let's eat this now.
Yeah. Yes.
Ah, bro. Hey,
Bro, he left me.
you put the fish down and,
This guy
and take
left
the gun
me,
out.
bro.
No, bro, I'm staying here with the turrets, bro. Fish,
Oh, it is a
gun.
turret.
Just gonna shoot them. That water's frozen there, dude. We're gonna have to drink.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know. We can make a. Yes, we can't even like, bro, I've got a pot. I was thinking we could gather snow, but you
Jake.
can't do that.
I think we need to just get out of here, dude.
Yeah, I agree.
How long is freaking snow, dude? Like, it just
I know,
snows all
dude.
the
It's
time.
been freaking winter forever. Let's get out of here, man. I'm trying to. Okay, we can at least now. I can see where I can go. Bro.
Yay.
Wait, where's she running from me?
I don't know, she ran towards me. I figured there was something behind me. This guy's sliding. Wait,
Are we going up there?
I don't know, dude. I'm gonna get out of
No,
these
no, we
eggs
gotta
away
go.
here.
We gotta go this way.
I'm stuck.
What the
Wait.
hell is that guy? Bro, I'm going off here, bro. Yeah, he ramped over me, dude.
It worked out, dude. I wouldn't even lie.
Where's that? There's a point of interest here somewhere.
I don't know, dude.
Look on the map, dude. Orange.
I just heard some hectic noise now, bro. I don't want to stop.
Oh shit! What's this?
What is this?
These are playing tune baboons. Yeah, this is what we were looking for. This is the points of interest apparently. Yeah, this guy. Oh, he just gives us a GPS locator. I don't understand. What does that do for us?
Oh, jeez, like your freaking fair lady almost gave me a heart attack.
My fair lady. Ah, dude, that's it. I thought there was... Oh, there's water at least. Let's drink that.
No, I just drank an energy drink by mistake, so.
Shit, dude. Can you get up that side?
Yeah, kind of.
It sounds like my guy's running Platterlands, but I've got no boots. Can you
Go
not
for it,
ride that
David.
thing up here?
I tried and it was just like getting stuck. Oh, come on, I'm almost there. Yes.
Made
Dude,
it,
my
bro.
oak is like a clip springer, bro. Chicken, struggling.
Hey man, don't look at me when I'm vulnerable, bro. This cave is here. It's up there, bro. Yes.
Up there.
I bet you it's the one that we freaking started at or some shit, dude. Well, what I can
Dude,
tell you is
there's no
gliding down
ways
here is
of-
gonna be a breeze, dude.
Yeah. Let's see.
But you gotta let go of that thing then, I guess.
No ways, dude. Hey, when I get out my way.
Bro, give me a push, I'm old.
I'm trying, bro.
Yeah, we're getting close. Oh, I thought I heard someone. Look there.
That's it. Wait! Yes! Oh, there he falls.
Go away.
Oh, there's gonna be a Yeti or something in there waiting for
It's
us.
gonna be a Yeti inside here, dude. Surprisingly light inside here.
Have you ever seen that? Have you seen Star Wars, bro?
Yeah?
You seen that one where that Yeti captures Luke? You're gonna have to get our lightsabers.
Yeah, dude. Can't make a home here.
There's some spears. I picked up something. Like a blueprint of some sort.
Huh?
Dude, my guy's shaking. Like, I don't know. I think I
Yeah,
should make
dude.
that fire quickly.
I'm also struggle bus here, dude.
And he's hungry. He's gonna die, man. Yo, I swear, if I see another rope, I'm gonna throw up.
Some sort of trap, looks like. They killed this guy here. Let me see if I can make a... Oh, you're making a fire.
Yeah, dude, my guy's shivering.
I've got some meat. Shorts and t-shirt. Let me gooi meat on the braai here, bro.
Yeah, Pucha, bro, give us a lekker stukkie there. Ah,
Yes, I'm already cold and wet, dude.
even me, dude. My guy's already shivering.
Look how
Clean
much
this
it's gonna
up.
go, bro. Yo.
And I'm thirsty. You just came.
Bro, let's yeah, dude, I know, right? I reckon we freaking just glide off the top here, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Who's this oak? Is he
He
dead?
died of. Yeah, he's green, bro.
I was gonna say, is that a monster or?
It's Frankenstein.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say, if you jump like that,
Don't worry, dude. I believe I can fly, bro.
okay, bro, I'm gonna give it a shot, bro.
Drat, dead. Hey!
Shit, you need more heart.
If you jump from. Yeah?
Yeah, I tried. Well, not on the edge.
Oosh!
Yeah.
Did you make it? Bro, I can't do it. I can't make it.
You have to sprint and jump.
There we go.
Okay. Yo.
Where are you? I can't see you. Oh, there.